Welcome to the next update of our 0 to £1,000 challenge. This is week 4. Stay tuned and find out how we did. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. Now this is the 4th week. We are now officially a month in, and I want to show you how we made £272 this last week just gone. Again, if you haven't been following along, I'm going to pop a link to the previous videos in the description. Thank you if you have watched each one. Look forward to giving you an update now. This is now our 4th week on our 0 to £1,000 challenge, and we're super excited. We're so close to the finish. We are actually at a total of £801.65p, so we are less than £200 off. And by now you'll know the majority of it is done by something called match betting, and we've included some casino offers in there as well. Check out my latest video if you want to find out what that was all about. We also went back over to Coinbase as well to claim some more coins from watching some videos. So without further ado, and before we do that, please don't forget to hit that like button if you're getting value from it, if it's helping you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see further updates, and it helps us grow. Let's head over to the screen and go through a few of the offers we did this week. Hey guys, so heading over to Coinbase for the first part. There are actually a few coins we can actually claim now that are new, and we're just going to go ahead and have a look. So the first one is Maker, where we can claim $6 to add to our total on this challenge. So we're going to go ahead, watch these videos, and we'll check the balance afterwards. If we scroll down, there is also a Celo, if that's how you say it, another $6 to add, so that's $12 in total for just watching a few videos. We're going to go ahead and watch them. We won't record the videos, and we'll just show you the balances afterwards. We have actually just watched the first lesson. I want to actually show you how we claim it. So here it explains the lesson, so the question here, and all we do simply is watch the video and then click the correct one. I believe it's this one, so if we click this, and we simply get $2. And just completed watching the lesson 2, so we go down, who runs Make It DAO, I believe it's the MKR holders, so we click that and get our second $2 payment, literally 3 minutes work. On to the next one, and just finished watching lesson 3, so we're just going to scroll down, hopefully get another $2. So what do you need to generate the DAI today? Crypto wallet and crypto collateral. And there we go, another $2. And just heading over to my wallet, which is the account where it's stored. Here you can see I've done the 3 videos, got $2 each, which is about $1.53, $1.54, and we can see I've got a total of £4.63. Now I could withdraw it. I'm going to keep it there as a holder. I like having a few different cryptos in there, but we can definitely add that to our total on what we did. I think we've got one more coin to do, which we will do now. Here's the next one. So what we're going to do is just scroll down, we'll earn it to $6, and let's get watching. Moving on to this one, I actually think I pronounced it Celo. After watching the video, it's Celo. So just going to answer this one question and get our $2. And without fail, $2 there. On to the next one. And just finished watching the second one, so I'm cutting it out in between just so you don't have to spend minutes watching the videos. You can watch them yourself. Let's see if we can go ahead and earn another $2 here. Here we go. And $2 there. And finishing watching the last video, let's see if we can earn $2 more. I believe it's this one. Click it, let's earn it. Awesome, and we are done. Let's see if we can see our Celo wallet now. And here we are, it's just loaded up our Celo wallet. As you can see, 3 videos, easy peasy, $1.55 in each, which is $2, the conversion rate. £4.66 earned. Now we can change it into pounds, withdraw it to PayPal. I'm going to keep it in Celo, just so I have some coins. I like keeping coins in the different ones, but I'm going to pop that down on our earnings. So 466 plus the same again in Maker, that coin, and let's see how we get on. Before we do that, if you want to watch some videos, I'll pop a link somewhere on this screen, maybe at the top or in the description down below. Check it out, join up to Coinbase, get watching some videos and get earning. I'm going to add it over to our total. Let's jump across to this spreadsheet and see how we got on this week. And hey guys, this is the spreadsheet. Let's see how we got on this week. So we've got the totals from all the previous weeks here. Week 3. Let's have a quick look. So we've got week 3 here. Oh, I didn't actually put week 4. I'm going to pop that in. Week 4. So we ended last week with a total of 549.78. Made 280. So this week, again, lots of bets we've done. Gone through. We had the French Open on this, so we did a few tennis offers there. Virgin Bet had a really good offer. We jumped on and did. We had some qualifying. We also did some of the casino stuff as well. If you haven't already checked out the casino stuff that OddsMonkey do, then I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. Really good earner. Doesn't rely on sports going ahead. And as you can see, we did a variety of different offers. I don't want to go through each one, but again, you check your emails, you check the OddsMonkey every day. It tells you exactly what to do. You just follow along, complete the offers. As you can see, our Coinbase ones are here, so the ones we did, and we are steaming ahead, guys. We are nearly at our £1,000 target. So we jumped from 549.78 all the way up to a total of £801.65. So in this last week, we made £272.26. We are doing very well. I think 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how the offers go. As you know, we can't tell what's around the corner, but I think we will smash that. Having a quick look at the graph that we have. Let's see if I can move this over slightly. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, it's been nice and smooth. And guys, we do this. I did it as a challenge for you guys, but we do this week in, week out. You know, we do all these offers. We do it every week. We do all the casino stuff. We have the extra stuff in the background as well. We just wanted to show you how you can make £1,000 from nothing. We are nearly there. I thank you for following along the journey. If you haven't checked out the other videos, I'm going to leave them in the description below. Check out each one, how we did each week, breaking down exactly what we did. Again, you can pause the video at any time. You can go through exactly what offers we did. You can see them on here, making some money. So if you are joining in with us, if you are making some money, let me know in the comments. It'll be great to see who is making money and who's steaming ahead. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.